Aslan, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, today we are going to play a game. You have to guess the missing, or like what is missing in this,
Okay.
and why it is not working. Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Since the cardboard is not moving, how I could move it? What is missing?
Wheels are missing.
Can you draw the wheels for me?
Okay.
Okay. You have to draw the wheels here and here. There are two wheels, so you have to draw two. Okay. Draw it. Very good.
I make wheels.
Oh, excellent! I'll make a star for you. Wow. Now next thing. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. But I can't. Why?
Because no cup is here.
Yeah, very good. Can you make a cup for me?
Okay.
Very good. So nice
I'm
cup.
going to make water now.
Oh, thank you. Now can you less the water? Because I have take some water now. Less. Erase some water. Yeah. Very good. Excellent.
I make this to the water.
Okay. Now I will give you another star because you win. And now I want to take the bath, but I can't. What two things are missing? So you have to tell two things.
No water in the bathtub.
Yes, I want water, and the another thing is
I make full water.
yes, very good.
Full water I make.
But there is something else missing. What should I wear? I need something.
Something. Wait. This
Can you tell me now, please?
towel.
Towel. Okay, another star. And okay, so now here I have a door, and it is locked. So how can I go to buy some fruits or vegetables?
And then I open.
How? What do you need to open? What is this?
I open.
Oh, how you open? What is this? Can you tell me, please?
I'm going to open with the key.
Very good. With the key.
With the key.
Oh, very
I
good.
open the door.
You open the door with the key?
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. I hope you guys like this video.
Green colors. They look green.
Bye.